itong 1v1 ibibigay po namin right here in Quezon City. Another dagger from deep by Banyaga. Oh, all 5 na po kasi nasa Techno Takeover minute na nga pala tayo. 30 seconds to go. The next bucket wins it. For the win! Banyaga! That's how you finish ball games. Isaac Banyaga will retain his position in the winner's circle. Si Pantila naman pupunta sa loser's bracket pero may laro ka pa rin, tol.